can't wait.
See what I write just up?
I tell you something about it, higher, right now come up on the flood. We have a Castle Regal Plaza.
Eh?
You go straight up the road.
Them people that get trapped.
Then go cross this and go up. That's what you should go cross.